Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. If it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Wonola. On today's video, I'll show you how to make efo riro, also known as vegetable soup. It's a popular Nigerian and African soup. If you're interested in knowing how this soup is made, please keep watching. For the ingredients, you'll be needing spinach or any kind of vegetable of your choice. You can also mix the vegetables if you want. I am using frozen spinach for this recipe, which I let to defrost naturally overnight, and I also squeezed the water out. I prefer to defrost my vegetables naturally because if you put them in the microwave, they might cook further. So if you want to cook with frozen spinach, it is better you leave them to defrost naturally. This is what the frozen ones looks like. For the pepper mix, I'm using the long bell peppers, I'm using onion, and I'm also using scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using just one scotch bonnet because it is very spicy, but you can use more if you prefer. I'm also using chopped onions. Dry fish, I soaked them in hot water with salt. I washed and deboned them. Goat meat, you can use any kind of beef of your choice. Crayfish, they are washed and the unwanted parts are removed. Cow skin, also known as Panmo, they are cleaned, boiled and chopped. Palm oil. First, I'm going to boil the goat meat. I'm going to season it with seasoning cubes, salt, onions, curry and thyme. You can add any other ingredient if you prefer. I'm going to stir all of that together and cover it to cook in its own juice for about 15 minutes. While the beef is cooking, I'm going to prepare my pepper mix. I'm just cutting them into smaller bits for easy blending. I'm going to transfer them to my blender and blend roughly. You can blend yours until smooth if you prefer. At this point, the beef has been boiling in its own juice for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to add a little bit of water because I don't need so much meat broth for this recipe. I'll cover to boil for another 15 minutes or until it gets soft, then transfer it to my baking tray and put in the oven. You can also fry this beef if you prefer. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification because I'll be posting more recipes every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends or anyone that might be needing this recipe. I sauteed the chopped onions in palm oil for about 3 minutes and now I'm adding the blended pepper mix. I'll cover to cook for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, I'll add in the cow skin, the fish, the crayfish, the meat broth. I'm going to stir all of that together and season with some seasoning cubes and a tiny bit of salt. I'll stir all of that together. At this point, you can also taste to know if the seasoning is enough or not. Then I'm going to cover to cook for about 5 minutes, then add some grounded crayfish. The sauce has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and at this point I'm going to bring in the goat meat. I'll stir in to combine, then cover it to simmer for about 7 minutes. Now I'm going to add the spinach bit by bit and stir in. This is to ensure that I have enough sauce for the spinach. After mixing the spinach with the sauce, I'll cover it and let it simmer for about a minute or two. And that's it, the vegetable soup is ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, share this video. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.